Hello guys, hello and welcome to the Dhamakedar, Farratedar and Mazdar session by Vedantu Young Wonders. I am Pritesh Joshi, your host, dost and master teacher from Vedantu. On behalf of the entire Vedantu family, I welcome each and every one of you to this amazing session where we are in the last leg of the chapter Cell Structure and Function, the NCERT solutions. In this particular session today, we are going to deal with the NCERT questions of this particular chapter and doing a Menti quiz overall on the entire chapter. So very warm welcome to all the kiddos out there. And guys, you know the drill, right? That you have to connect with us on Telegram. The link for the Telegram is t.me/Vedantu Junior. So you have to go to t.me/Vedantu Junior where you can connect with us on Telegram. If you haven't downloaded the Telegram app yet, you can download it freely from Google Store or Apple iStore, right? And guys, you also have to download the Vedantu app, which is freely available on Google Store and Apple Store. If you have already downloaded the app, make sure that you update it. Also guys, do not forget to connect with us on do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscription to the channel is absolutely free. So to subscribe to the channel, you have to go to right here. You don't actually have to go anywhere. Right here on the right bottom corner over here. On the right bottom corner, yeah. Over here you can see the logo of the channel. Click on that logo, the subscribe button will pop up and click on subscribe. Subscription to the channel is absolutely free of cost. And what do you get in this subscription? You get 6 to 8 all the CBSE classes, all the ICSE classes. You also get coding. You get Vedic math, which we are starting from October. Coding classes have already started from the 14th of September. Vedic maths is starting from next to next week in October. And a super sebi upar, never seen one of its kind motivation classes, which are also beginning from Sunday. And guys, there is a bumper surprise never seen in the history of Vedantu. Such kind of a video which is coming on Vedantu Young Wonders never happened in the history of Vedantu till date. Such a wonderful video is coming. So if you don't want to miss on that, make sure that you subscribe to the channel because it is absolutely free. So subscribe to the channel and become a part of 3,05,000 plus family members of the Vedantu Young Wonders family. तो हमारा ये जो स्टार से भी बड़ा परिवार है, इसमें अगर आपको जुड़ना है, जो कि बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, तो सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, right? Now guys, let me tell you that if you want to shell out some money, if you want to pay and learn one-to-one personally with me, if you feel that you have any doubts while learning, if you feel that you should get more than what others are getting, if you want to be a step ahead in the race, if you feel that you have any doubts, you need the notes, test, study assignment, competitive exam preparation, you should choose the timing of your choice and the language of your choice. So we have got your back. We have got everything sorted for you. Other than that, we are also giving you unlimited classes, micro courses, crash courses, performance reports and personalized attention to each and every one of you. And to get that, you have to go to vdnt.in/ytpro. This particular link is also given in the description of the video. When you go on this link, you have to select your grade, which will be 6, 7 or 8. Your target exam CBSE 2021, and you have to click on get subscription. In this subscription, you get 6 subjects: English, Math, SST, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. 6 subjects you get to learn. Along with that, you get the micro courses, crash courses, competitive exam preparation, all the test, study material and the assignments. You also get to choose a timing of your choice, teacher of your choice and language of your choice. Everything guys you get if you take the pro subscription, which is available in 3 packages: 1 month, 3 month or 6 month. So guys, you can buy this package, and if you want a discount in it, see guys, the cost of the 1 month course is actually rupees 4,000, but if you put the code PRPRO, this is the code, the code is PRPRO. If you put this code, then you will have to pay just rupees 2294.15. You will pay only this cost if you take a 1 month subscription after putting the coupon code PRPRO, right? Similarly, if you take a 3-month subscription, so you will end up paying rupees 5949. The actual cost is rupees 10,000. But if you take a 3-month subscription and you put the code PRPRO, the cost will come down to rupees 5949. That is almost, you get a discount of 4,000. And if you take a 6-month subscription, the cost is rupees 16,000. But if you put the code PRPRO, the cost comes down to rupees 9,774 only, which means you almost get a discount of rupees 7,000 if you put the code PRPRO. So ये जो कोड है PRPRO, ये बड़ा ही मजेदार कोड है, क्योंकि इससे धड़ाधड़ कॉस्ट कम होता है, आपको डिस्काउंट मिलता है, एंड आप हमारे साथ पर्सनली सीख सकते हो on the Vedantu platform. So go to vdnt.in/ytpro and start learning with us. Now guys, in this chapter, that is cell structure and function, before I move ahead, I would just like to take a few names. So we have got Tanu, then Srushti, क्या doubt है बेटा आपका? So guys, I'm taking the names from my phone. So we have got Dhanveen, Bindas, then Bindas Istasha, then Manshi, Ankita. Oh, you got full marks, Ankita. That's great. Daksh, Vinay, Ansh Bhargav, Vidhi, then Hemlata, Pritesh sir ke fan, Krish, Akshay, the math magician, Yashoda, Soumya, Mr. Handsome, ICC Solutions, Ayush Biswas, Kartikeya, Kulsum, Arna, Aradhya, Saraswati, Serena. Happy birthday to you, dear Serena. Arna, then Anu Wilson, Dhiman, Sharma, Vaishali Bain, Patadia, Indu Bain. Hello Ashok, thank you so much. Purvi, Sakshi, Sneha, Aniket. Yes, Aniket, what is your doubt? Yes, Mentee is coming Dynamo. And Krishna Chaitanya, Purvaja, Misha Bharti, The Solution Kingdom, Vikalp, Arnav Parth, Abhishek, Rinku, Amrita, Neeraj. Chalo. So guys, I will again take the names in some time. Okay? Again, I'll take the names in some time. Till then, let us begin the class. And in this particular session till now, we have studied about the discovery of cell which happened by Robert Hooke in the cells of a cork, slices of cork. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. There are different types of cell. Neuron is the longest cell, sperm is the shortest cell, ovum is the largest cell. The largest cell on earth is the ostrich egg. Then we saw the structure of cell, we saw the different organelles, mitochondria, cell membrane, cell wall, ribosome, Golgi apparatus, vacuole, then nucleus, nucleolus, nucleoplasm, protoplasm, cytoplasm, all of this we saw. Then we also saw the difference between plant cell and animal cell. All of this we have covered in this chapter. Now let us do the NCERT solutions. So what we will learn today? So we'll be doing the NCERT solutions for this chapter. True or false? Unicellular organisms have one cell body. True or false? Quickly tell me in the chat. Unnati, Chaya, Mayank, Sanjay, Pallavi. Quickly tell me in the chat. True or false? Pseudopodia is the false feet of amoeba which helps it to move towards the food. Tell me this answer. True or false? Chalo. Definitely, Istasha, I'll do that. Very good. It is absolutely true. Next question. Muscle cells are branched. Muscle cells have branches. True or false? Think about all the types of muscles: striated, smooth, cardiac. Do they have branches? True or false? True or false? Hello Prachi, happiest birthday to you. All the best for your exam. Drishti, all the best. Very good. So this is false. Muscle cells are not branched. Next, the basic living unit of an organism is an organ. So organ is the fundamental unit of life. True or false? True or false? True or false? Nirja, mi masta. Tu kashi ahes? So this is absolutely false. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. And the last question, amoeba has an irregular shape. Amoeba has an irregular shape. Quickly give me the answer, true or false. Amoeba has an irregular shape. True or false? So this is definitely true. So amoeba doesn't have a regular shape. It is an irregular shaped unicellular protozoa which is found in the water. Now guys, a very important question, that is, make a sketch of human nerve cell and what function do the cells perform. So the nerve cells or the neuron, they perform the function of carrying the impulse and the messages from the sense organ to the brain and the spinal cord. The central part is the cell body, which is also called as cyton. The central part is the cell body, which is also called as the cyton. Nodes of Ranvier. These are the nodes of Ranvier. This white color is the myelin sheath, and these in the center are the Schwann cells. This is the terminal of the axon. This is the okay, wait, something has happened. Yeah, this is the axon terminal, and from here to here you have the axon. These are also called as the dendrites. Like this is called as the cyton, axon and dendrites. This is the nucleus. This is also the dendrites. Oh, wait. Something happened. Wait. Are? Oh. Wait, guys, wait. Something happened. Oh, guys, wait. Something happened. Yeah, we are back. Chalo. ठीक है? Moving on. Sketches of plant cell and animal cell. So for this we have already discussed in the previous class. That there are some parts which are only found in the plant cell. Like cell wall is exclusively in the plant cell. Right? Chloroplast exclusively in the plant cell. ठीक है? Then you have got amyloplast exclusively in the plant cell. ठीक है? So these are the parts which are only found in the plant cell. ठीक है? Then if we see cell membrane is found in both the cells, which is plant or animal. Golgi apparatus is found in both. Nucleolus, nucleus. Then centriole is not found in the neuron, and that is why neuron is a non-dividing cell. Microtubule, cytoplasm, ribosome, cell membrane, smooth ER, rough ER, Golgi, lysosome, pinocytotic vesicle. All of these are found in both plant cells and animal cells, but your cell wall, chloroplast and amyloplast are found only in the plant cell. Right? Plant cell will have more of a squarish shape, it will have a rigid shape, whereas animal cell will have a rounded structure, it will not have a rigid cell. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. Very important. 100% question will come from this. Right? Chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. 1000 times I have repeated that they are the plastids which give the color to the plant or color to the fruit. Chloroplast will give green, example ladyfinger. Chromoplast will give red, like tomato, and leucoplast will give white, example mushrooms, radish. Correct? Chalo. Please see the diagram clearly. I'll just move aside. See the diagram, study the diagram clearly. It's very, very important. Chalo. Moving on. So, difference between plant cell and animal cell. So, plant cell is larger in size. They are relatively smaller. There is cell wall here. There is no cell wall here. The vacuoles which store food, store water and responsible for digestion, they are large in size in plant cell, whereas they are small in the animal cell. There are plastids, chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. So in animal cell there will be no plastids. Plastids cannot be seen in animals except for euglena. Euglena again is a microorganism which carries out binary fission, which shows the presence of plastids. But other than that, there are no plastids present in the animal cell. So even if you write plastids cannot be seen, it will be correct. Okay? If you don't mention the exceptions, it's fine. Then, difference between prokaryote and eukaryote, a very, very important 100% guaranteed question. 100% guaranteed this question is difference between prokaryote and eukaryote. So let us see, as I've already told you in the previous class, prokaryotes are the primitive cells. They do not have a well-defined nucleus or a nuclear membrane. Mostly they are unicellular. They do not have a well-defined nucleus or a nuclear membrane. Not all the cell organelles are present. Example of prokaryote will be bacteria. Nucleolus is also absent. Example, blue-green algae and bacteria. So you will not see all the organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, rough and smooth, plastids. All these you will not see in prokaryote. They are very simple cells. They only have a very spreaded nucleus in it, flagella and cilia for movement. Talking about eukaryotes, so they are the normal cell which we know. So they are multicellular, they have got nuclear membrane, they have so many cell organelles which we saw in the previous slide. They also have a nucleus, example your plant cell, animal cell and fungi. Okay? So that is about prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Please read this slide carefully. I'll just move aside for a few seconds. If you want, take the screenshot. Come on, moving on. So, where are chromosomes found in a cell? State their function. Again, a very important question. Most of the students get confused in this. What are chromosomes? So, they are thread-like structures present in the nucleus and they carry the genes. So, chromosomes are thread-like structure. They carry the genes. This is very important. Gene is a segment of the DNA. Then, all the necessary information which is responsible for hereditary is transfers from parents to the offspring, that is stored in the genes. Inheritance of characters is possible because of chromosomes. So chromosomes are responsible for the passing of characters from the parents to the offspring. So as you can see over here, it's very important. सेल के अंदर होता है न्यूक्लियस, न्यूक्लियस के अंदर होता है क्रोमोसोम, क्रोमोसोम के अंदर होता है डीएनए एंड जीन इज अ सेगमेंट ऑफ द डीएनए. So all your external appearance, phenotype and genotype, both are decided by the genes, and genes are a segment of the DNA. Genes are and DNA is a part of the chromosome, chromosome is a part of the nucleus, nucleus is a part of the cell. So chromosomes are very, very important for the carrying of characters from the parents to the offspring. So please read this question very carefully. Hi Anvesha, happy birthday Jairam Sheila. Chalo. Definitely Istasha Verma, I'll take it. Chalo. Gene is a segment of the DNA which carries the hereditary information. ठीक है? So guys, that is all about the questions of NCERT. If you have really liked this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Make sure that you share it with your 8th standard friends. Share it in your school WhatsApp group. Share it in your class WhatsApp groups. And make sure that every child learning in grade 8 gets a chance to learn from this video free of cost. Right? So now guys, let us quickly go to www.mentee.com and use the code 469204. So just go to www.mentee.com and use the code 469204. There you go. 4969204. 4969204 is the code for the Mentee. Quickly go to www.mentee.com and join the Mentee quiz. I'm waiting for all of you. 4969204. I at least want 400 of you because there are 500 plus students in the class. So at least 450 should join the Mentee. You can see the code over here also. 496920. 4969204. 4969204 is the code for the Mentee. Come on, quickly. Hi, Kanus. Obviously, I remember you. Hello, Hardika. Hi, Satvik. Hello, Paritosh. Astha. Hi, Alan Kota. Come on. Hi, Daksh. Hardika. Oh, very nice. Mohammad Ryan Syed, very nice. Hi, Sejal. Hi, Kumar, Drishti, Tai Chim Cook, Amran Hasmat, Amrita, Purvi, Achtik, Satish, Shivani, Diksha, Science Group 628, Rekha Sharma, Vikalp, Rudransh, close and again open. I'll wait for you. Drishti Mago, PG Rashid, Satish, OP Chaturvedi, Soumya, Shobit Verma, Pallavi Tyagi, all the best for your exam, dear. Hi, Navya. Hi, Utkarsh, Sakshi. Come on. Hello, Aditi Parab, Charu, Ankit Sharma. Very good, very good, very good. Chalo, let us make 450 and then join the Mentee. Guys, make sure that you read each and every option very carefully from the Mentee. Read the options carefully. It's a very easy Mentee today. Okay? It's based on cell organelles and the basics of cell. Chalo, let us start. Here comes the first question. Let me see the colorful, wonderful characters. Chalo. Let us see 450 ho jaye, then we'll start. Very good, Vaishali Behan Patadia, very nice. Hi, Prakhar. Chalo, very nice. I'm starting the Mentee. 3, 2, 1, now. First question coming on your screen. Which organelle is called the powerhouse of the cell? Many times this question is repeated. You should be able to answer it quickly. Is it nucleus, the endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, or Golgi complex? What is called the powerhouse of the cell? Come on. Come on. Very nice. Prathaini. Hello, Akshay. Very correct. Satish, Sanjay, Komal, Jaydev, Ojasvi. Very correct. Hi, Komal. Chalo. Very good. More than 270 students are absolutely correct. That is more than 50% of the class, because we have got more than 500 students in the Mentee. So more than 270 you have answered absolutely correctly that mitochondria, which is called the powerhouse of the cell, it generates energy in the form of ATP, and that is why mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell. Correct? Moving on to the next question. So before that, let us see the leaderboard. So we have got Nicholas, Maverick, Dr. Evil, Tanu, Sir Please, Vedantu Office Store, Siri, Kiru, Raya, Fitwix, Rushti, Shashwat. Talking about this office store, guys, trust me, you don't want to see the Vedantu office how it is now. But yeah, the first floor of the office, it's really awesome. I mean, they have renovated it, and I myself was sitting on the first floor today, and I was like, oh wow, this is so cool. But then you know what, they have not officially inaugurated the new renovated place. Plus there is a lot of renovation work going on the second floor, on the fourth floor, even third floor currently where I am, even that is going to get renovated. So guys, wait for some time, have some patience, and then I'll do an exclusive video on the Vedantu office tour, and trust me, you will be amazed just like I was today. Yeah, so the perks of being in the office is that you get to see things before everyone else sees it. So I enjoyed myself thoroughly on the first floor today. It is really very good. Like, I have worked in so many places across the country, but this is the coolest which I have seen till date, and very soon I'll be showing it to all of you as well. Just have some patience, and very soon when the entire office is ready, I'll do an exclusive Vedantu office tour, right? But thanks for the suggestion. Thank you guys. Chalo, moving on to the next question. Make sure that you read the options carefully, starting now. So, which of the following instruments can be used to observe cells? Very easy question, easiest question of the class. Is it a barometer, microscope, periscope, telescope? Easiest question of the class. Hello Kanus, thank you so much, love you too dear. Hi Prince Maini, Durgesh Joshi, Sakshi Pawar, Brijesh, all the best Brijesh. Chalo, all the best Ishan, Chona, all the very best. You all will definitely make us proud. Chalo, 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 chalo. Happy birthday Kailash. Happy birthday Srishti, and very good. Out of 530, 483 students have answered correctly that it is a microscope which helps you to see and observe the cells. But there are some cells like the egg of an ostrich or the egg of an hen, which is also a single cell, but you can see it with naked eyes. So looking at the leaderboard, Nicholas something, Soham Parve, physics teacher, Siri Kiru, Shashwat, Priti, Safia, Yashwin, Dripto, Viraj, sir's fan. Thank you so much Viraj, God bless you. And koi miss to nahi hua? Nahi. Chalo. So Yashvi is leading the leaderboard with 2 points. Moving on to the next question. Make sure that you read the options very carefully. Third question, starting now. So the question is, which of the following scientists discovered the cell in the cork slices? This I told you in the beginning of the class, that who was the scientist who discovered the cell. Is it Louis Pasteur, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, Carl Linnaeus, or Robert Hooke? A very easy question. I already told you in the beginning of the class that what is the correct answer to this. Come on. Very well. Thank you so much, dearest Ravi Shankar. Thank you. Chalo. You're welcome, Srishti. Very good. 380 plus students are correct that it is Robert Hooke who discovered the cell in the cork slice. Cork is a wooden object. It is very light in weight. It is put on bottles. So cork slices mein first time the cells were seen, and because they looked same like the places where monks used to stay during those times in monasteries, that is why it was named a cell. So looking at the wonderful shining leaderboard, Yashvi something, Soham Parve, Siri, Dripto, Viraj, Preeti, Watson, Newstein and Bhupal. Whereas Yashvi is leading the leaderboard with 10 points, and there is a tie between Dripto and Siri, and a tie between Newstein, Bhupal and Watson. Wow, great. Chalo. Looking at the next question, fourth question, make sure that you read the options carefully, starting now. So, among the following, which cell can be seen with an unaided eye, means without a microscope? Egg of the hen, RBC, sperm cell or nerve cell? Very easy, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Chalo. Quick, Fevi-Quick. Come on. कोई बात नहीं, मिस क्लिक हो गया तो All the best, Geeta. God bless you. Very good, very good, very good, very nice. More than 370 students are absolutely correct. And looking at the leaderboard, we have got Viraj, Dripto, Newstein, Watson, Fithwig, Shrija, Mani, Safia, Abir, and Daksh. Very good evening to you, dearest Abir. Wow, look at the change in the leaderboard. Newstein is leading the leaderboard with 1 point. Then there is a tie between Viraj and Watson, Mani, Shrija, and a tie between Abir and Daksh as well. Wow, very good. Chalo. Moving on to the next question. All the best, Rehana. Hi, Aditya Sharma. Hello, Dimple. Chalo. Hello, Tasmia. Fifth question. Starting in 3, 2, 1, now. Which of the following is the non-living part of the cell which is completely non-living? Is it the cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, or cell wall? This is a very, very interesting question. Very interesting question, that which of these is the non-living part of the cell? Is it the cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, or the cell wall? Come on. You've got this. Chalo, 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 chalo. Very good, very well. And we have got 280 plus students correct out of 515. That is more than 50%. So that's really amazing. Cell wall is the non-living part because it is made up of cellulose and it is present only in the plant cell. And on the leaderboard, shining may we have got, wow, Viraj is now leading with 8 points actually. Newstein, Manish, Watson, Shrija, Shivam, Fithwik, Atif, Divyanshi, and Rashid Kamal. Wow, that's amazing. And we have got a tie between Shivam and Fithwik and between Divyanshi and Rashid. Chalo, great. Only 1 point difference between Manish and Watson, and Viraj, Sir's fan, thank you Viraj, is leading the leaderboard. Looking at the next question. So, what are pseudopodia? I've already told you this. Someone asked in the chat also, what is pseudopodia? So it is the vacuole of amoeba, false feet of amoeba, heart of amoeba, or eye of amoeba. Very easy question. What is pseudopodia? Digestion, feeding and nutrition in amoeba. Usme we have also, in that also we have learnt about this. Feeding and digestion in amoeba. Quite easy question. Quite easy. Very well. Wow, more than 300 out of 470 students have answered correctly that it is the false feet of the amoeba. It helps the amoeba to walk towards the, to move towards the food and capture the food within its body. So that is pseudopodia. And on the leaderboard, we have got Viraj, Newstein, Manish, Watson, Shrija, Fithwik, Divyanshi, Rashid, Dil Se Bulaya, Balvi Raya, and Yashi, Pritesh Sir's biggest fan. Thank you so much, dearest Yashi. God bless you. Thank you so much. Keep smiling, rise and shine in life. So, Newstein, abhi Newstein sabse upar aa gaye. So, Newstein is leading the leaderboard with 12 points. And we have got a tie between, no tie. So, there is no tie as of now. But there is only a 1 point difference between Dil Se Bulaya, Balvi Raya and Rashid. And there is a 2 point difference between Fithwik and Shrija and Manish and Watson. Great. Quite a tough competition going on. Chalo. Let us see the 7th question. Make sure that you read the options carefully. Starting now. Chalo. In an animal cell, which among the following organelle has its own DNA? Is it the chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast, or mitochondria? During discussing this organelle, we had learnt about it, that this organelle has its own DNA. Think. Chalo. Think and answer. It's okay, Arpita, it's okay. Chalo. Very nice. And we have got only 190 students out of 466 answering correctly. 196 students. That it is mitochondria. Guys, mitochondria क्यों सही होना चाहिए? बिकॉज इफ यू सी क्लोरोप्लास्ट, क्रोमोप्लास्ट, ल्यूकोप्लास्ट, दे ऑल थ्री आर प्लास्टिड्स. तो 3 तो आंसर हो नहीं सकते, 3 होते तो फोर्थ ऑप्शन होता ऑल ऑफ दीज. तो लॉजिकली भी अगर हम सोचते हैं तो भी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया करेक्ट आंसर होता है, इवन इफ वी डोंट नो फैक्चुअली व्हाट इज करेक्ट. बिकॉज क्लोरोप्लास्ट, क्रोमोप्लास्ट, ल्यूकोप्लास्ट, दे ऑल थ्री आर प्लास्टिड्स. And if they have DNA, the fourth option should be all of these. But fourth option was not all of these, it was mitochondria. So the odd one out भी करते हैं तो भी mitochondria is the correct answer. And looking at the leaderboard, we have got Viraj, Watson, Manish, Fitwik, Divyanshi, Rashid, Shivam, Vishwa, Sparsh. Love you too, Sparsh. Thank you. And Shivam. No, Sparsh and Monu. Viraj has now come on the top with 10 plus 2, 12 points. And there is no tie, but there is a difference of only 1 point between Fitwik and Manish. Fitwik and Manish में बहुत ज़्यादा shoulder to shoulder चल रहा है. चलो, moving on to the last question of today's quiz. Last question starting in 3, 2, 1 now. Come on, last question for the day. Which organelle is called the suicide bag of the cell, where all the debris of the cell is kept, and whenever an organelle wants to die, it will go inside this organelle? Is it the Golgi apparatus, plastid, lysosome, or mitochondria? This also I had clearly told you when we were discussing the cell organelles. Clearly I had mentioned it to you all. Come on. Come on. Hi Mangal's Teaching Academy. I'm in Bangalore, Sayyed. I'm in Bangalore. Hi Praveen. Chalo. So more than 250 students are absolutely correct that it is the lysosome. Lysosomes are called as the suicide bag of the cell. And on the leaderboard we have got Viraj, Watson, Divyanshi, Manish, Fitwik, Vishwa, Sparsh, Monu, Rashid and Shiva. Very well. And the winner of the quiz is Viraj. Congratulations Viraj. You did a great job. Congratulations to everyone. Those who answered in the Mentee, those who answered in the chat. Heartiest congratulations to all of you. Great job guys. Amazing. Superb. Chalo. So guys, that brings us to the end of the class. But as I said, if you want to learn with me personally, if you want a personalized attention and you want to be a step ahead than everyone else, so you have to take the Vedantu Pro Lite subscription by going to vdnt.in/ytpro. Once you go on this link, which is also given in the description of the video, select your grade 6th, 7th or 8th, your target exam CBSE 2021, and you can take a 1 month, 3 month or a 6 month subscription where you get 6 subjects plus micro courses and competitive exam preparation. So if you want to learn with me in detail, and if you want a discount in this, if you want a discount in the package, use the code PRPRO. This code PRPRO will help you to fetch a discount, right? All the details are also given in the description below, so you can start learning with us personally, you, me and the NCERT on the Vedantu platform, right? So guys, do not forget to connect with us on Telegram, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel because it is absolutely free. Subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, put it in your school WhatsApp groups, in your classroom WhatsApp groups, and let all of you learn for free from Vedantu Young Wonders. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. We'll meet again maybe tomorrow at 1 p.m. with an ICSE session where we'll be discussing balancing chemical equations. Until we meet next, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Keep smiling. Spread the smile, not the virus. Thank you so much guys. Good night. Take care of yourself. God bless each and every one of you. Bye-bye. Thank you.